Hi friends, how are you? So today we meet again and I hope you are doing great as always and are following all the videos and are consistently practicing yoga. So today we are going to do a pose which is called as Purva Uttanasana, the upward plank pose. Most of you must have heard about this pose. This is a very good pose for the fat loss and weight loss. If you do this is a hard pose. You have to use your core muscles and the strength of your legs and arms and wrist. So it is a strenuous pose. If you hold in this pose for 10 to 15 seconds uh, as a beginner, it is it will be wonderful. This pose helps you to calm your mind because you have to focus on your breath and you have to focus on holding the pose, since it is a bit difficult pose. So if you are fighting any if you are having any thoughts in your mind and you can't decide what to do or what to do, if you are facing dilemma, if you are facing any kind of anxiety and are facing a lot of thoughts in your mind, you can leave everything aside and just open up your mat, sit on your mat and take a couple of few breaths and then do this pose. After doing this pose, I am certain that all your thoughts will vanish, will go away. You will feel more calm and you will feel that you can take the decision mindfully. So this is the mental benefit which you will receive by doing this pose, and you will also lose your fat and weight by doing this pose daily. This has to be in your daily yoga flow. This pose should be incorporated in your daily yoga flow so that you lose weight. So let us come upon your mats and let's learn how to do this pose. So first of all, we will warm up our wrist because they play a very important role. So rotate your wrist clockwise and anti-clockwise as you breathe in and breathe out. Rotate your shoulders 5 times in, 5 times out. Rotate your neck from right to left. Rotate your shoulders. Now come into the Dandasana. This is called Dandasana. Now just keep your hands in line with your hips and bend a little. Now see where your elbows touch on the mat. There you have to keep your palms so that when you do the Purvottanasana, the elbows align with your shoulders. Okay? So from here we need to inhale, and uh, and when you are ready you have to get up in the Purvottanasana. Inhale and exhale. So this is the Purvottanasana. I'm going to do this again, and this time we will be in the pose for at least 5 to 10 seconds. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come down slowly. Again, remember that your wrist should align with your shoulders and your foot should be like this. And you have, if you can't take your neck backwards, then you can also watch the ceiling. Okay? So again, Lift your torso, lift your body with the help of your pelvic and stomach muscles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rotate and shake your wrist because they take a lot of weight and you don't want to hurt them. So doing this pose will help you reduce weight from your stomach, will help you reduce the fat from your stomach, will strengthen your arms, your back and your legs a lot. It also helps in calming the mind because अगर आपने ये अभ्यासन किया है देन यू मस्ट हैव रियलाइज्ड, आपने ये गौर किया होगा कि आपके दिमाग में और कुछ चल ही नहीं सकता बिकॉज यू आर ऑल द मोर बिजी होल्डिंग द पोज. आपका सारा का सारा ध्यान आपका पोज को होल्ड करने में जा रहा होता है एंड यू जस्ट कांट थिंक ऑफ एनी अदर थिंग इन योर माइंड. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि आपके दिमाग में कुछ और फालतू की चीज़ चल रही हो. सो दिस इज़ द वेरी बेस्ट thing to do when you are feeling anxious and lot of overthinking. If you are doing overthinking and feeling lot of anxiousness, then you can do this pose. All your thoughts will vanish in just a matter of time. इसके बाद आप अच्छा फील करेंगे तो आप थोड़ा रिलैक्स भी कर सकते हैं, बालासन कर सकते हैं एंड यू विल काम योर सेल्फ एंड रिलैक्स योर बॉडी आफ्टर डूइंग दिस आसन. दिस इज़ वेरी वंडरफुल पोज फॉर वेट लॉस, आई मस्ट टेल यू. चलिए, अगर आपको ये पोज अच्छा लगा है एंड यू वांट कि आगे हम ऐसे अच्छे तरीके से अच्छे आसन लाते रहें तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए इस चैनल को. अपने फ्रेंड्स तक इस वीडियोस को पहुंचाइए और सभी वीडियोस देखिए एंड कंटिन्यू इन दिस योगा जर्नी विद मी एंड वी विल लर्न अ फ्यू मोर आसन्स, अ लॉट ऑफ आसन आई मस्ट से, जो हमें वेट लॉस करने में हेल्प करेंगे एंड ऑल द मोर हमारी मेंटल प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करने में हेल्प करेंगे. बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम वाइल डूइंग 9 to 5 जॉब, एंड इफ़ यू आर इन अ प्रोफेशन एंड इफ़ यू आर in business, there are times when you are just your mind just is flowing with thoughts and you are not in your non-thinking state. और आपका दिमाग इतना सारे थॉट्स या इतनी सारी चीज़ें सोचता है कि यू जस्ट वांट दैट कामनेस इन योर माइंड. सो दिस इज़ द प्लेस. आप मेरे साथ यहाँ प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं एंड वी विल बी डूइंग द प्रैक्टिस ऑल टुगेदर. आप इस वीडियो को चलाइए, मेरे साथ प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, उसके बाद 1-2 बार रिपीटेशंस कीजिए एंड दैट्स इट. ऑल द क्लटर इन योर माइंड वो सब चला जाएगा और आप कामनेस और माइंडफुलनेस की तरफ बढ़ेंगे. सो या अगली वीडियो तक हम मिलते हैं. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल. टिल देन, बाय बाय.